Hey, what's up guys? My starter motor repair kit has just arrived, so we're going to fix the starter motor, reinstall it into the bike, and hopefully we can ride the Kz440 today. Let's get right into it. I'm really excited. Alright, that was a bit clumsy, but it is all put together. And I believe I put it back together correctly. So, moment of truth, we're going to hook it up and hopefully it starts up. I really hope that starts up. Let's go. Alright. Battery is hooked up. As soon as I ground it, it should spin, hopefully. Oh. It's spinning. It doesn't, it's like, it's like sparking all over the place, but it is spinning. Alright, good. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Alright, let's chuck it into the bike. Alright. Moment of truth. Oh, I'm nervous. Woo! Alright, let's do this. Yes! 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 Fuck yes! Alright. Woo! Oh, so good. Alright, cool. Yes! Alright, good. Yes! Alright, we're going to get everything back on. And we're gonna start up this bitch. Oh, let's go! I'm so happy, guys. Yes! Alright, bike is all back together. It should work. I believe in this bike. I recently tuned it. I believe that this bike wants to start up. So we've turned the petcock on, it's got fuel. I put oil in it. We're just gonna start it up, guys. Right. So fuel's on, choke's on. Alright, let's do it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to take this bike out for a ride because I am so glad that's running again and I really missed it. So, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. So the bike runs, but whenever I open up the throttle, it just dies. Not sure why. Normally when that happens, it's a fuel issue, fuel or air issue, so I'm gonna have to look at the carbs. But I was kind of hoping to end this vlog just with me riding off, but that'll be too easy, wouldn't it? Look guys, I'm going to leave this for another time. I'm just happy that it's running again. So I'm going to finish off this vlog right here. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Yo guys, so I was messing around with the carbs and just trying to figure out why it wouldn't run. And I haven't gone to the bottom of that, but then I put the carbs back on and I tried to start the bike again, and then we ran into the same problem. That click noise, no starter. And I was like, fuck. What's happening? What's going on? I thought for a moment that I must have short-circuited the starter and I burnt it. But I figured out what the culprit is. So the bike starts. Still dies on throttle, but that's okay. This is what's happened. Well, this is what I think's happened. So, this is the starter motor inside here. Positive connects here, and then it's grounded through the engine, right? So, normally you have this little rubber cover over it. But I think what's happened is maybe the cover was off, or maybe I see that there's like a little hole in there right here. So maybe what's happened is once you put the cover over it, and I'm just guessing, maybe this positive side is touching the cover, which is also touching the negative. So both positive and negative are contacting at the same time. And I think maybe that is what has caused the short circuit in the first place. Now with this new starter motor brush, you saw that I cut this off shorter, but I think I need to cut it even shorter just so that it has no chance of touching the cover. Because what happened before was I tried to start the bike and then it was clicking, but it sounded a little bit different. It was sort of like a buzzing noise, and as soon as I took the cover off, it was fine. So yeah, it's so finicky. It's just something to keep in mind. Dirty pods.